Alright, today I'm going to be showing you how to bridge your Glass or USDC over from Binance Smart Chain to Matic, and how to provide liquidity for the Fire Glass pair that's available on Polydragon.io. Now before we start, if you would like to help me out, I'll have my referral link for Glass Ultra Staking in the description. For transparency, I will get 3% of whatever you deposit or compound. This does not hurt you in any way. Alright, let's get on with the video. Alright, to use the bridge, you're going to have to be connected to the Binance Smart Chain network, along with having some BNB and Glass left over to use the bridge. If you do not have any BNB nor Glass, nor do you know how to connect to the BSC network, you could watch my video right here. Fastest and cheapest way to get our.glass. This will give you everything you need to know to use it. You're also going to have to be connected to the Matic network, which I'll show you how to do now. If you're on MetaMask, click on your MetaMask wallet, click the three dots and click Expand View. Then click on Binance Smart Chain or Ethereum Mainnet, depends on whichever one you're on. Custom RPC for the network name, just put Matic. RPC URL, just put whichever one you prefer. I'll have a list of them in the description. The chain ID, put 137. Currency symbol, just put Matic. And then for the block explorer, put HTTPS polygonscan.com. Then click Save. Now, unless you already have some Matic that you've bought and you've bridged over from ETH to Matic, or use Binance, or any other exchange that allows you to do Matic withdrawals, you probably won't have any Matic. So to get some quick Matic, you can head over to matic.supply, do the CAPTCHA, then go ahead and click Connect and connect your MetaMask wallet. Once you've connected your MetaMask wallet, go ahead and click Receive. Wait for this to send some Matic to your wallet. Alright, once the faucet has given you some Matic, you're ready to start to bridge over your Glass or USDC. Alright, when you are on the bridge, what you should first do is copy the Polygon Glass contract address, head over to your MetaMask, switch from Binance Smart Chain to Matic, click Add Token, paste it in, and then click Next and Add. Then switch back to BSC, go ahead and select the amount of Glass or USDC that you want to send, and click Approve. Approve the transaction. Alright, when your funds have been approved for either Glass or USDC, you're going to be able to send the amount that you've chosen. Just so you know, there's a 3% fee for Glass and a 0.5% fee for USDC. The Glass fee goes back to the Ultra Staking pool. So when you have your amount set in, go ahead and click Send, approve the transaction, and wait for the transaction to go through. Alright, so when the transaction goes through, your order ID should change from in progress to complete. And when you go to MetaMask and switch from BSC to Matic, your Glass balance should actually show up. So now I'll show you how to provide liquidity for the Glass and Fire pool. Alright, to get LP tokens for the Fire and Glass pool on Polydragon, you need to first be on Polydragon.io, have some Fire in your wallet. The best way to get Fire right now is to use their exchange and bridge over some USDC and swap your USDC to Fire. Now to provide liquidity, just head over to the Liquidity tab. Click Add Liquidity, change Matic to Fire or Glass, and do the same for the second one. Then max out whichever one, and then approve both of them. Alright, when you've approved both your Fire and your Glass, you're going to be able to supply liquidity. Just click Supply, confirm the supply, and then confirm the transaction in MetaMask. Alright, when your transaction is confirmed, you should see at the bottom LP tokens in your wallet. You should see that you actually have LP tokens in your wallet. Now you're able to head over to the Forge and add your LP tokens and stake them. Alright, when you're on the Forge, you should see the Fire and Glass LP pool. Don't mind the APY right now. The APY is currently bugged. It'll be fixed very soon. Just go ahead and click Approve Contract and then confirm the transaction in MetaMask. Alright, once the transaction is confirmed, you can click Stake, and then click Max, confirm, and confirm the transaction in MetaMask once again. And when your transaction finally confirms, you should see that you've already earned some Fire and that your total amount staked has gone up. Alright, this was a tutorial on how to provide LP for the Fire and Glass pool on Polydragon.io.